do an actual automatic water system. Food grade bucket. A toilet fill valve. The same thing that goes into your toilet is an automatic water system. 10 or 12 bucks. That's what it is. Got a 7/8 paddle bit. This is for the 5/16 ID tubing, 1/2 inch. We'll actually put those in also. The system I'm running will have 2 of these coming out of the bottom. I think these are $1.50 a piece. Rubber washers, conduit nuts, steel washers. You know, these are, I don't know, 10 cents a piece. I think both of these were 2 for $1, whatever. Not very much. So, let's get this hole drilled. You want to make sure, I can't drill in the center of this because it's crazy on the outside of it. I'm just making sure about where I want it. And we can waller just a little bit. Don't get carried away. All right, perfect. So basically, there's a rubber washer that comes with this. And you could put some silicone in there if you wanted to. And you can tighten that down with channel locks. Just don't get crazy with it. And later I'll show you how we're going to hook this up to a water supply where our rabbits are. That just snaps in. Let's do another one. Next time I'm going to use a 2-drop system. Now, don't know if we can see. That's the fill valve. 2 outlets. Now on the inside I got these rubber washers. That will go over these 1/2 inch nipples. You can silicone these also. I'm going to put these flat washers on there so that my conduit These are just come from 1/2 inch conduit, little flat nuts. So those flat metal washers will sit on like this, and that will allow this metal washer, nut, to slide on the steel and not try to grab against the rubber. And you know, I don't know, I see a lot of these watering systems, but everybody's the same. You got to go and fill this bucket up. Got to fill the bucket, got to fill the bucket, which is fine. But this is a true automatic feeder. Water's on. All you have to do is check the watering nipples in the cages itself. But basically that's the whole setup. And what we'll do, it'll hang. My inlet side will come in, my tubing will come out, and we'll see that shortly later. So basically this is the finished product. If you can see, get closer. This is my live line. This always got pressure on it. There's a cutoff valve, and this on. That goes up to there. This is just a toilet line. So I reference a lot to toilets because this is all for a toilet. 3/8 stop. This is a sharp bite to 1/2 inch pecks. Braided line. That was your fill valve. Here's our two. That one and that one just comes down to our line, right? And y'all basically, I'm sure y'all have seen the nipple systems for these bunnies. But that is fully automatic. We don't have to come and fill the bucket. When the water level drops, that valve kicks on, releases water, it fills back up. So that's going all the way down, 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 down. So it's pretty basic, pretty simple. And I'll probably be doing a video on these cages. They're awesome little cages. But until next time, thanks for watching.